Delyth Jewell yn goffa ni heddi am gan y wenol ac o pobl efo holi, wel, chi wedi clywed y wenol to fel arwydd bod yr haf wedi cyrraedd. Wrth gwrs, hynny ddim yn cael ei glywed mor aml bellach. Dwi hefyd yn diolch i'r deisebydd a'r cyfnogwyr. Fel wedodd y cadeirydd, mae hwn yn un ffordd hawdd, ymarferol a rhad i helpu byd natur yng Nghymru. A mae'n gweithio. Trials in the Duchy estate found that these bricks have been a huge success, seeing 96% occupancy rate. Now, swift is a classic bird in these islands, and the return of the number can only help in rebalancing our ecosystems. And I'm sure people in the new builds, from a comfort point of view, will be happy to have the birds there, because they'll be able to eat mosquitoes, aphids and other pests which might cause discomfort in evenings. Now, swift bricks have been an option for many years. Their inclusion in new build estates will help biodiversity goals, and as we've already heard from the chair, will also assist other native birds. Now, I agree with my colleague on the committee, Joel James. We need to fully consider the unintended consequences. And as the chair has already mentioned, there will be time to fully consider that. We are not going to see a rushed legislation with regards to this, though we will be able to consider any unintended consequences. But as we see better insulation rolled out, as we see nest removed, making swift bricks compulsory in new builds will mitigate the loss we've seen over the years. Byddwn ni'n gallu, unwaith eto yng Nghymru, clywed yn aml gan y wenol yn dweud bydd yr haf yn cyrraedd. Diolch yn fawr.